Then we will move straight to the last one called the learning culture. And of course, the learning culture is a cornerstone of James' Raising Safety Culture model, emphasizing the organization's commitment to continuously learning from experiences, errors, and near misses to improve the safety and the performance. So it involves a systematic process of analyzing incidents, sharing lessons learned, and implementing changes to prevent recurrence. So that's on the learning culture. So what do you think are some of the reasons why learning culture is also very important? Okay, before that, let me take you through some of the characteristics of the learning culture. And one of them is commitment to continuous improvement, whereby the organization is dedicated to regularly updating its processes, practices, and policies based on insights gained from past experiences. Then it also focuses on root cause analysis, whereby emphasis is placed on understanding the deeper systematic or systemic causes of incident rather than superficial or individual blame. Then systematic documentation and sharing. So here, lessons learned from incidents are documented, analyzed, and shared across the organization to ensure collective learning and all that. Then encouragement of feedback and reflections. So here, employees are encouraged to provide feedbacks on safety practices and reflect on their experiences to identify areas for improvement and all that. So a learning culture relies on insights from the reporting culture and just culture to ensure fairness and openness in analyzing incidents and all that. Let's now come to the challenges associated with the learning culture. One of them is resistance to change. You see, employees and managers may be reluctant to alter established, practices based on new insights and all that. Then lack of resources too is one of the challenges, whereby insufficient time, funding, or expertise can hinder the ability to analyze incidents and implement the changes. Then blame-oriented mindsets is also one of the challenges, whereby a punitive culture discourages reporting and openness, undermining the foundation of the learning culture. Then failure to act on lessons learned can also be a challenge, because if lessons are not translated into actionable improvements, employees may lose trust in the learning process. Then ineffective communication too is one of the challenges that we can also discuss here, in a sense that poor communication of lessons learned can also lead to missed opportunities for organizations wide improvement and all that. So that is that. Move on to the important. After this ones, we have covered it. Prevention oriented, encourages transparency, promote resilience, and improves incident response and all that. Then Heinrich safety culture model.